दोन्ही टिमीचे खेळगडी आणि म्हज्या मोगाळ भावंदो आणि भयणीनो, आज जायते तेंपान दावोलीचे गांवांत फुटबॉलाक फायनला येयलो म्हूण म्हाका जायती खुशालकाय भोगली. आणि स्टार्टिंगाकूच कमिटी मेंबरांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कित्याक तेमी म्हाका ही संदी दिली आणि हांव आयज चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून तुमच्या मुखार उबो आसा. दावोलीच्या गांवांत म्हाका सदांच मोग आसा, कित्याक फर्स्ट टायम हांव 3rd डिविजनाक फुटबॉलाक खेळोंक लागलो तेन्ना दावोली स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक हांवें कार्ड केलें. आनी तेन्नासून आनी फाटीं चोवंक ना, खेळत रावलो. मागीर ज्युनियर नॅशनल्स, मागीर सालोंकार, डेम्पो, MRF. सो हांवें फर्स्ट बेबी स्टेप म्हणटा तो 16 वर्सांचो आसतना दावोली स्पोर्ट्स क्लबासून स्टार्ट केलो. आनी आज देखून दावोलकारांक हांव सदांच मोग दाखयत येयला आनी हेजे मुखारय सदांच दाखयतलो. दोनी टिमीचे खेळगड्यांक म्हजी शबासकी. बरी टीम, दोनी टीम बरी घेवतात. 2-1 गोलाक डिफरन्स आसा, झोबो कांय न्हू. फुटबॉलाक केन्ना कितें जातलें तें कांयच सांगूंक जायना. दोनी टिमीचे खेळगडे बरे आसात. वन सायड इज अ यंग सायड, वन सायड इज अ एक्सपिरियन्स सायड. सो दोनी टिमीक आय विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट. हांव जाणा तुमी सगळे हावजीक लागून रावतात. आय विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड मे द बेस्ट टीम विन. थँक यू.
So my name is Asan Chalo.
How do you like today's final?
The final was good and it was a pretty tough match. First we scored 2 goals and then we conceded 2, and then we made a great comeback in the second half and scored 3 goals, and it was a pretty good game.
Do you like to play in the inter-village or like league system or open? Which team you would like to prefer to play?
I like to play in the league system because we get more opportunity to play in the league matches. Like there are more number of matches in the league, so we able to get experience as per the game and try to score more and more goals and improve our game.
What is your future plans?
So my future plan is basically I'm playing football because of the passion, and after that I will look forward for my job in the hotel industry.
What message will you give to the budding stars who are coming to play at a young age?
They should enjoy the game, play for the passion, and we know that Goa is a great footballing state, and I think that they should and we should encourage our young budding stars and inspire them to play football and help them also to achieve their skill at grassroots level and all.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.